So for this following week, we will be working on our red folders. So for 427 to 51. So we're going to start with our Itsy Bitsy books. So for a triangle have 3 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, and then 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So the first thing we're gonna start off by writing our name. I'm gonna write Miss Lee. Okay, so get out your crayons if you have crayons. If you don't, that's fine. So I'm gonna find my crayons. So I'm gonna color in my triangle neatly, right? So I'm gonna start off with paint. I'm gonna color it nice and neat. Okay. Right. And then it said, trace the triangles in the windmill. I'm gonna choose purple for my windmill because I think it's cute. And trace it nicely and follow the line. So remember, a triangle have 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and it have 3 corners, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna draw, trace nicely, and then color it in. Okay. Oh, I forgot one. Okay. Okay, take your time on those, okay? And then on this one, so it's trace the triangle in the pyramid. I'm gonna use yellow for sand. And trace slowly and nicely and color. There's no need to rush. Take your time. Color them nicely. Right? And then let's flip this over. Let's see what it said. Trace the triangle. There are triangles everywhere. So for this one, I'm just gonna pick green because I like green. I'm gonna put it. Oop, see, this is what happened when you don't trace nicely, right? Follow the line. Follow the dotted line, okay? Just try your best. And then color it nicely. Make sure there's no white spot left. Okay, for my roof, I like a orange roof. So I'm going to use orange. So I say, trace the triangle in the house. So I'm going to use an orange roof. Good job. And then last, oh no, I lost a green. Trace the triangle in the tree. So is a tree purple? No, a tree is not purple, right? A tree, it's green. So we may make sure color our tree green. Ah, see, Miss Lee make a mistake again. She's rushing. That's not good. Take your time. Follow the line. Don't have to be perfect, but just slow down on your coloring and make it neat and nice, okay? Okay. Okay. There you go. And then we're gonna have trace the triangle in the mountain. So for the mountain, I'm gonna use blue because there's snow on the mountain, so blue. There. I'm gonna just color the snow part. Ta-da! So after this, make sure to ask your parent to help you cut it out and make it into a booklet, okay? So I was talking about how triangles have 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. And they have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So for this activity, we will be drawing triangles and we will trace them and color them, okay? So the first thing, I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to choose purple and I'm going to trace it nicely, right? And then I'm going to color them nicely. Woohoo! Okay. And then for this tiny one, I'm going to trace it green and color them green. So for your job is just continue tracing them with different colors and color them, okay? And then on the back, we have more tracing to do. Same things that we are doing. So the first thing you need is to write your name. I'm going to write my name. Miss Lee. And then I'm going to choose another color that I like. I'm going to start with blue this time. And trace. And then we're going to color. Okay. And I'm choose another color for this triangle. Ta-da! So keep going, trace all the triangles and color them, okay? For this activity is called Shapes Maze. So we will be coloring in the triangles and to find the path to the hole in the ice. So I'm gonna choose, let's see what I can choose. I'm gonna choose red. I'm gonna choose red. You can pick any color you like. So we're gonna go look. I find my first triangle. Woohoo! Right. Let's see. Where else have a triangle? This one have a triangle right here. So I'm gonna color in all the triangles. Right? Slowly, nicely. To find the path. Okay. This one is a triangle. And keep going. Just keep coloring it in. Look, it's following the path. Where will this lead us? Oh! There's a triangle right there. Let's see. Just gonna color it nicely. Find all the triangles. Right? Is this a triangle? No, right? Because it doesn't have 3 sides or 3 corners. How about this one? No, that's an oval. This is a square, right? So we're gonna color in our triangles. And just finish it up. There's, I only see 2 more, so finish. Okay, I think Miss Lee finished finding all her triangles. And then let's use our fingers to make a path. Look, the penguin is walking. Oh, you're here and here. He went to the hole in the ice. Good job. That's basically it for this activity. It's basically you just going to find the triangle and color in the triangles. For this activity, we will be working with addition. That means we will be adding. So for look at number 1, we have 3 plus 3, right? So we have 3 stars plus 3 fish. How many is it in total? So let's count the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 in all. So we're going to write the 6. For this activity, on to the next one, okay? Let's count. We have 7 plus 3. What is it total in all? So everything. So we're going to need to count everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 in all. Okay, so this one is 4 plus 4. We have 4 fish plus 4 stars. Okay, let's count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Good. For the rest of this, you guys gonna do it by yourself, okay? And on to our next one is called Fall Addition. This one is a little bit harder because it does give you the number, okay? We're gonna try our best. So the first thing we need to look at is how many apples are there. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 apples. How many leaves do we have? 1, 2. 2 leaves. So let's count it in all. Addition means with everything, right? So let's count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 total. Right? For this one, how many popcorn do we have? Oh, I'm sorry, that's not popcorn. How many apples do we have? 1, 2. We have 2. And then how many acorns do we have? 1, 2. So now they want to know the total we have, like with everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4. So for this one, how many birds do we see? 1, 2, 3. We see 3 birds. And how many buckets do we see? 1, 2, 3. We see 3 buckets. So 3 plus 3 equals in all. So now we have to count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 total. Okay? So continue counting and working on this, okay? If you have any question or you don't understand, please feel free to contact me. For this activity, we will be working on subtraction. So the first one, make sure you write your name. Right? So it said 2 minus 1. We have 2 footballs and they took away 1, right? And how many is left? 1, right? And then 3 minus 1. So they have 3 frogs. They took away 1. And how many is left? 1, 2. They have 3 butterflies. And they took away 2, right? How many is left? So you guys gonna fill in this part. So they have 4 goat. I think deer. I think it's dog. So 4 dogs. They took away 3. How many is left? Okay, how many? And write it right here. They have 5 flowers, right? They took away 3. How many flower is left? Count. 1, 2. So 2 will be right here. Write it down. 4. They have 4 lemon and they took away 3. How many is left? Write the number right here. Okay? So on to the next one. This one is a little bit hard. So this one requires us to draw. Okay? So we have 4, right? Let's draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they need us to take away 2. So we're going to cross out 2. 1, 2. So how many is left? 1, 2. Right? I'm sorry. This 2 is funny looking. So 2. So we have 3 and we're taking away 1. So let's do the dots again. 1, 2, 3. How many are we taking away? 1. So we're going to cross that out. And how many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2. Right? For this one, we have 5 minus 3, right? We start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are we taking away? 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many do we have left? 1, 2. Alright, 2. Okay, for this one, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are we taking away? 2. 1, 2. Right, how many do we have left? You guys count and put it in here, okay? So we have 4 minus 3. We start out with 4. We taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have left? Write the answer here. So we have 5 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's asking us to take 1 away. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? Write the 4 down right there.